Spartamax. Designed to help promote healthy body function and support extended energy levels. Introducing Spartamax. Spartamax is like nothing you've ever tried before. It's based off a closely guarded formula that's said to be able to transform your libido, your stamina, and your confidence. Ancient Spartans were some of the most virile men in history. They possessed strength, vigor, and unlimited sexual energy, and now, their secret has finally come to light. Many men notice changes in their energy, endurance, and confidence as they deal with daily stress, busy schedules, and the natural process of aging. Over time, these changes can begin to affect how they feel, both physically and mentally. That's where Spartamax comes in. Spartamax is designed to offer a natural approach to supporting male vitality. Its formula aims to help promote healthy blood flow, support balanced testosterone levels, and improve overall daily energy. What makes Spartamax unique is its blend of powerful, well-known ingredients. The formula includes L-arginine, which may help support healthy circulation. It also features tomcat ollie and maca root, ingredients often associated with improved stamina and male vitality. In addition, the formula contains ashwagandha, known for helping the body manage stress, along with horny goat weed, beetroot, and grapeseed extract, which are commonly used to support energy, endurance, and overall wellness. Together, these ingredients work to support key aspects of men's health. By focusing on circulation, energy, and balance, Spartamax aims to help men feel stronger, more confident, and more energized throughout the day. For men who want to maintain their vitality naturally, Spartamax may offer a simple and convenient addition to their daily wellness routine. Order only through the official link. For those interested, the official link is available in description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews and helpful health content. Thanks for watching.